She has a very nice exercise, a lot of variety, some very difficult elements.
And shows off her flexibility.
Nice combination here with a leap and then an acrobatic. That's too bad. And it's nowhere near all over for her.
Yeah, this is a big skill right here.
Better get her composure back.
This is one of the trends that we're seeing in women's gymnastics on this event, the full twist.
And right away, the pressure, may not be on Hollie Vise right here. She just wants to get through it. But Carly Patterson is still to come for the United States. And right now she knows she's got to deliver.
Now, Hollie already has a point off in mandatory deductions. And she also doesn't get the same reward bonus-wise because she's missing these elements. So this is going to be a very low score. The U.S. will hopefully drop this score.
Dismount that will take the entire length of the beam. It's a tough exercise.